Good evening traders, welcome to 200forexpips.com. I am here with the final analysis of 27th of May 2019. Okay guys, first of all, if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then do subscribe it, and also do not forget to press the notification button so that you can get the forex trading analysis from my side. Okay guys, today it was the financial market holiday and the market kept slow, but however we have seen some volatility on few pairs, and now we are going to start the today's analysis from Euro USD. So guys, I have supplied the bearish trend in case of Euro USD from 111930 and 111583 is the target price. And guys, you can see the levels are already drawn on my chart, and the market breaks the entry and it's bit down, but due to the slow momentum today, we have due to the holiday for the financial markets, that's why we have not seen a good volatility on Euro USD. However, it has responded as per our entry price, and if it continues the bearish pattern, then the market can go up to 111583. Okay, the same thing happened. That was the New Zealand USD chart. Sorry, that's the chart. That's the Euro USD chart. So the market was slow overall. It breaks our entry, but it has not gone so much down. So you can see a weaker momentum. So similarly, the same thing happened with New Zealand USD. We have done scalping on New Zealand USD because the entry was 065452, and 4 hours the market went down, and after that it's just that slow. We can say that the market is that slow, it's not going anywhere. But however, if it continues the bearish pattern, then it can go up to 065224. Okay, now let's talk about the moves that we have seen today. That's the move that we have seen today on Great Britain Pound USD, with a bearish trend from 127,171 and 126,679 is the target price. And guys, you can see a big drop on Great Britain Pound USD today, and it has clearly hit the target price that I have supplied in my sequence report. So I congratulate all those traders who have taken the sell positions today on Great Britain Pound USD. They must have collected a very good profit. Similarly, we have seen a very good momentum on Great Britain Pound JPY today, and now let's move towards the signal. Great Britain Pound JPY with a bearish expectation from 139285 and 138458 is the target price, and you can see we have a big drop on Great Britain Pound JPY today. It has taken the smaller U-turn. After that it has gone down. So I congratulate all those traders who have taken sell positions. They must have collected some profit, because we have seen some volatility on pound today, but rest of the pairs were quite sleepy today. We have not seen any kind of volatility. Okay, another signal that is bit satisfied, a bearish trend was supplied on AUD JPY from 75835 and 75508 is the target price. However, you can see the market breaks the entry few hours ago, and the market is making the bearish pattern. If it continues the bearish pattern, then market can go up to 75508. So overall, it was a slow day with trading, and moreover, it was not a very difficult day, but it was slow because due to the holiday for the financial market, we have seen such day. Okay, moreover guys, I'm going to talk about the trading system. This is for the newcomer. Whenever you see that the market is into the lower red boundary, and if it starts making the bullish pattern from here, like you can see, after this drop, the market started to gain the momentum from here, then you can buy the pair, and look, the market has moved up. And whenever you see that the market goes into the top red boundary, and if it gets the rejection from the top red boundary, then you can sell the pair. And this is the best trading system when we talk about taking swing trades. This is very beneficial, and you can do scalping also with this trading system. Let me show you that how to scalp the market using this trading system. So it's very easy. Look at, you can see there is a dotted middle line here. Whenever you see that the hourly candle is closed above the dotted middle line, you can take a buy position on the next candle. If the next candle goes up, then you will immediately exit from the trade, and this is how we do scalping using this trading system. And whenever you see that the market is closed below the dotted line, then you can see that the market goes down. And if you find any candle down, like here, for example, this candle was closed below, and then you have taken the sell position, and after 4 to 5 hours the market was finally down, and then you must have exit from the trade. But overall, normally the market responded within an hour when we talk about the trading system. So what is the stop loss in this scenario? For example, let's say this candle was closed above the middle dotted line, and the next candle was pumped up, so it was a profitable trade. But let's say if the next candle drops and it closes below the dotted middle line, then we will say that this hit our stop loss. So you will close the trade immediately. You will not let your trade open for this hope that it will clear someday. So this is the only scalping method when we using this trading system. And moreover, the price monitor is here, and when it gives the green signal, it means that the time to buy. When it gives the red signal, it means that this is the time to sell, and this is how we use the trading system. Okay guys, this is all about the today's analysis. So if you are looking to subscribe to my daily Forex signal service, if you want to get these trading indicators that we have just discussed, if you want to improve your trading technique through my video lessons, or you want to request for Skype one-to-one live coaching, for all this you need to send your inquiries on info@200forexclips.com. Please like my videos, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share this analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video.